Hi guys, today we are making a deep conditioner with avocado, egg and honey and a little bit of a herbal care growth oil. If you are new to the channel, please do well to subscribe. On this channel we do DIYs that will be able to help promote your hair growth and also strengthen your hair. So we'll be needing avocado, one egg and then some honey. Why are we using avocado? Personally, I really don't even want to talk about the actual benefits of avocado hair mask, but when I use it, in fact, the way my hair feels so healthy. But then I don't want to just base it on that. I want to share the benefits of using this deep conditioner with you. But first of all, let's talk about how you do it. So first of all, you need your avocado, your egg, and then your honey. Your honey, you can use about 3 tablespoons of honey and then one avocado and one egg. Depending on the quantity of your hair, if your hair is a lot, it means that you're going to double this treatment. Blend everything together until it's very smooth. I like to emphasize on the smoothness because if you don't blend it till it's smooth, you are most likely going to have residue in your hair and you are not going to like it. But I don't want you to not enjoy the treatment. I want you to enjoy the treatment. So please blend it till it's very smooth. If you don't get it very smooth, then try straining it so that you can have it the way you want it. Yes. Now let's talk about some benefits of avocado. Avocado moisturizes dry hair. So if your hair is dry, try using avocado as a deep conditioner. It's able to retain in the moisture. It's packed with mono unsaturated fats and vitamin E that deeply hydrates the hair. Avocado also strengthens the hair because it contains biotin and amino acids that promote healthy hair growth. Avocado also helps repair damaged hair. Because of the nutrients in avocado, it helps restore the elasticity of the hair and reduces hair breakage. With this one, if you wash your hair, if you wash the deep conditioner out of your hair, you're able to attest for yourself that it actually repairs your hair. You see that your hair is beginning to stretch more. If you have fussy hair, you really feel the elasticity of your fussy hair. So I just love avocado. Now let's talk about the benefits of egg in your avocado hair mask. All these products have individual benefits, so combining them together is like a big bundle, a big combo that you are using on your hair. Now let's talk about our powerhouse for protein, egg. Guys, especially if you are using the yolk of egg, you are going to be shocked at the result. Egg is packed with protein and essential nutrients, and it helps strengthen the strands of your hair. Egg is very high in protein, which reinforces weak or damaged hair. Even if you finish doing this treatment, just even using just egg and extra virgin olive oil, you notice how strong your hair will feel after a while. Even sometimes the next day. These are things I've tried myself before, tested and tried it before. Egg also promotes hair growth. It contains biotin and sulfur, which are essential for hair growth. So you know that avocado also promotes hair growth. It also contains biotin. So imagine combining these two. Egg is able to add volume and softness to your hair. This part is very tricky. If you don't moisturize your hair after doing a protein treatment, it's going to leave your hair feeling so dry. So please be mindful to moisturize your hair after you do an avocado treatment or after you include egg in it, because even though egg is moisturizing, it can dry out your hair very well. Last but not least ingredient is honey. Honey is my favorite ingredient, like honey, onion juice. I talk about a few things, more things, and you realize that honey is part. Honey is filled with so much humectant. It's able to make your hair very soft. The first time I used honey on my hair, I noticed this difference in softness, in texture of my hair. So honey is something I always recommend if people are complaining that their hair is too hard or something. So honey is something you can use on your hair if you want to promote hair growth, you want to strengthen your hair, if you want to moisturize your hair, if you want to fill your hair with deep hydration. Honey is your best bet. Now that you have everything combined together and using on your hair, you should know that your hair is going to be filled with so much nutrients. So when you blend everything together, you sieve everything together, everything is smooth. Before you apply on your hair, if you don't wait for it to be smooth, if you don't blend it till it's smooth, you are not going to like the results. Yes. So this is me applying it to my hair. It's not really hard. It's best to do this in sections. If you put your hair in sections already, it's actually the best way. And try and spray some water on your hair before you apply it. When you do that, products are able to penetrate well and properly inside your hair, guys. So this is more of a hair treatment rather than a scalp treatment. So do well to avoid your scalp, because if you put it on your scalp, you may clog your pores. So do well to avoid your scalp. Just mainly focus on the hair itself, guys. Sorry, there were lots of people in my room, so I was just talking and talking, and sometimes I just feel like let me just leave it in the video. Other times, so I just cut it out. Yes, but then if you see anything that you didn't really like, I'm sorry. There are a couple of people in the room. Enjoy this music. I'll see you at the end of the video. After you apply everything in your hair, you cover it with a steamer cap. This is where the work is. I mean, this is where the magic happens. So it's very important. So I like to use rubber before I use a steamer cap so that is more effective. I did it for 15 minutes and then I just went ahead to rinse everything out, and I added a little bit of shampoo just to get rid of any pungent smell that may be in my hair. This is the hair, guys, and it felt so good. If you go touch my hair, you'll be so amazed. So this is after I washed everything. Like, the shrinkage was serious. Like, I was just excited about how my hair was feeling. I just couldn't know how to express it. I'll see you in my next video. Do well to subscribe.